Hello friends, today we are going to become washing machines. As you know, washing machines wash our clothes, but our job today is going to be to wash all of our worries away, all of our anger away, any negative emotion that you might be feeling, we're going to wash them right out. So, follow along with me. Alright, we're just going to start in a standing pose like this. Your feet should be a little bit apart, not super apart, but comfortably apart. And we're just gonna stand kind of straight, and we're slowly gonna start to swing our arms back and forth and move our upper body like this. So your front arm should be going all the way across your stomach, and your back arm should be going all the way across your belly. And we're going like this. Maybe you want to speed it up a little bit. Maybe you want to slow it down. Maybe you want to make your swings bigger or smaller. Either way, I want you to close your eyes now once you get a comfortable motion. And I want you to imagine anything you're worried about, sad about, angry about, any negative emotion you're feeling and the reason for that emotion. And your washing machine right now, so wash it away, wash it away. Maybe you'll go a little bit faster to wash it away. Picture it getting all cleaned out of your brain, all out of your body. Woo! I feel mine washing away. I'm already feeling so much better and so much happier. I'm feeling loose and excited. I kind of don't want to stop, but eventually I'm going to have to. If you're swinging a whole lot and really fast, I'm going to have you start to slow down a little bit and then come to a nice stop. So now let's end it by taking a big inhale in and then exhale down and touching our toes. Inhale up. Exhale, touch your toes. One more time. Inhale up. Exhale, touch your toes. And come back up. If you are feeling worried still, or angry, or sad, go ahead, turn your washing machine back on. If you're feeling angry or sad or worried in an hour, turn your washing machine back on. If you're feeling angry tomorrow, turn it back on. You have control over your body, so anytime you're feeling angry, instead of taking it out in a bad way, just turn it into a washing machine. That's what I do, and it's kind of fun. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed being a washing machine, because I know I sure did. Bye.